Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this Ballora outfit on Dress to Impress. I did some minor adjustments just to one item that I'm not going to remove, so let's get started with the video. And I also used VIP items for this as well. Just going to remove everything and hopefully I remember what I wore. Okay, for the hair, I used this hair in this color 484BA2 and this hair as well, both in no bangs. Then for the outfit, I am going to use VIP items. I think I said that already. So we're going to use this in this color and then the rest in this like purple color B6A2FF. Then the legs as well, this color, and then the rest in this color. Then for the outfit, I'm just going to get this for the ballet shoes, and I'm just going to color everything this color 484BA2. Maybe with some of the purples as well here. Okay. For the skirt, I use this one in the second toggle in this purple DE7CEB in silk. Now for the top, I used the armor set instead of the robotic one, this one, in this color again, and then that color. And then this, sorry, Lana's doing some stuff right now, and I can't control it, obviously. Turn off the garment. Grab this dress in the second toggle, color it this color, 484BA2 in foil. And then the trim, I'll just do like a light purple. Like that. Okay. And then what else happened? Oh, the crown. I'm just going to add this as well in this color. The headpiece here is optional, but if you have this Roblox item, just equip it and color it white. Position the Y at 0.63. Z 0.48, rotate the X to 0.47 and scale it to 0. We're going to grab these gloves in short and no fur, color it the same in foil. Then we're going to add earrings. We're going to add the round ones here, and we're going to color it this gold color. Oh my gosh, I did not save the gold. Okay, so we're just gonna wing it. Let's do like a foil texture on that, and we're going to color it this gold color, maybe this B68 D46. And that is Ballora for you guys. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.